welcome to the Shelly Studio. So, a couple of weeks ago, I was challenged. Well, I made a comment about how much washi tape I have that I never use. So I was kind of challenged to use my washi tape. So I decided I would pick washi that I have that is pink and do something for Valentine's. I'm going to put it in my positive affirmation journal, but I'm going to make a heart with my pink washi tape. So I just have just a scrap of cardstock paper that I'm putting a variety of washi on from my little toolbox. This is one of those little toolboxes you get at the hardware store. I just took out all the dividers so that all that's left is rows and just filled it up with washi. And no, that's not all my washi. It won't all fit in there. It fit for a little while, but then I bought more. And I've told myself I can't see, like this whole tube of washi I've got sitting there. I've told myself I can't buy any more until I get it down to where it all fits in this little container. Because obviously I don't need that much washi, though I do love it. And I've been tempted. Dee Catron has some new fun washi that I want, and Seth Actor keeps showing washi that I want. But I'm not gonna do it. Alright, so I think I've just about got it. I do put one more piece on there, though I didn't really need it because my heart's a little bit smaller. Those are my little Jane Davenport strips, those flat things at the top there. They have to sit a certain way for it to close. There we go. Okay. Alright, so I have this. I've actually had it forever. I did not realize it was not open yet. So I've never used it. So I have to find the heart that's going to fit on here, and we'll just trace it and cut it out. If you have a die cutting machine and heart pattern, that would make it really easy. But I don't have one of those. There we go. I've got a little rose in the center. And I decided I didn't want to waste this, so I'm cutting a hollow heart. Is that how you'd say it? Because I'm cutting a border heart. The bottom doesn't get pointy, but that's okay. I just thought about it now. I could stick a triangle piece of washi on the bottom of that one and make it look like it comes to a point. I didn't do that yet. Alright, so here's my positive affirmation journal. I haven't done it in a few days. I got burned out after December and I figured I'd take a break. This is a piece of canvas. The other side's gesso, this side's raw, so it's really soaking up the paint. And this is cerulean blue. There we go. Want to make sure the heart would fit. Now it's dry. I can glue it on. It's just real simple. I just wanted to play around. Used my washi tape like I promised I would. See? Waste nothing. So I found a quote that I thought would work in my positive affirmation journal and still have the heart in there. And it's, put your heart, mind, and soul into even your smallest acts. This is the secret of success. Well, and I have this little strip of watercolor paper that's in between the two pages, so I figured I would add some hearts. So I put hearts on both sides and just traced the small one from my stencil. Alright, so I pulled out my Koi watercolors and just using some of the pink. Thought maybe if I pre-wet the heart it would kind of blend as I put it in. I really like how these hearts turn out. That'd make a cute card if you just did a card with watercolor paper. Maybe I'll make one of those for Valentine's. So once they're dry, I just take a pen and outline them. Just super simple. Now we're going to do the other side. I need bigger clips for this book to hold them down. This time I decided I'd do green and pink to include some of the green from my washi tape. So I hope you're having a good February. And hopefully this will be out before Valentine's Day, so I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. When I was younger, me and my girlfriends would have what we called a FOMO party. And it was Future Old Maids of America on Valentine's Day. We'd all get together and go do something. Just trying to darken the color. I don't want them to really mix because they'll get brownish. But I want them to be kind of mingle a little bit. Alright, so that's dry. Put an outline around it and I'm about done. I'll put a couple of pictures up so you can see it a little bit more close up. But I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And as always, if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.